On this week's episode, we shop for a spoiler, we remove a hemorrhoid, and we surprise somebody for Christmas. Huh? So I have an idea, and if I can pull this off, it will be epic. I hate using that word, but it will be pretty cool. A lot of people have tried to have. There's aftermarket people who've made this stuff, made these sort of like Challengers and Chargers and whatever. They're fucking expensive, man. Like, if you get a legit one, you're looking at like 10 grand for a legit one. But I have a feeling that I can do this for about 40 bucks. To kind of give you an idea of what I'm looking at, these are some yard signs I had laying around, and that is 2 feet tall. If you're seeing this right here, that means it came to fruition and we actually have it on the car. I'm either going to piss off a whole lot of Dodge people or they're going to absolutely love me. I'm willing to flip that coin. Let's see what happens. Time to get some wood. Lumber. Let's get some lumber. We have a laundry list of shit to do today. Priority number 1, get food.
Check.
Priority number 2, be fat and sassy. Check. Priority number 3, go to Menards. Why? Why do we go to Menards?
Rabbit straps.
Ratchet straps.
I don't know.
And because you save big money at Menards, apparently. It's in their jingle. Save big money at Menards.
Odie is blind and autistic.
They could be lying.
They could be lying. You're not wrong.
It could be a scam.
It could be a scam. Let's go take a peek at Menards and see if it's a scam or not. We're gonna go buy our spoiler up there too. It's gonna be sick. Priority number 4, dollar store. Save big money at Menards. Menards. Check out Menards. Bam. You got wood. Spoiler parts acquired. Side journey to every parent's favorite store, Five Below, where you can break shit for nothing. Perfect. What's up, guys? Today we're giving away helicopters and Lamborghinis. Let's do it.
And all the squishies.
I literally mean we're giving away. That's not a Lamborghini.
That's on my melody.
A freaking helicopter. We're giving away a helicopter. That is gangster. Your hot dog, and then we're giving away a Lamborghini machine.
Lamborghini.
You know what I'm talking about? We only gave away the hottest cars and helicopters on this channel, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe for more. Those are going to the local toy drive. So yes, we are actually giving away Lamborghinis and helicopters, just not in the full size. And then there's this guy.
And then a tab of squishy.
And then a tab of squishy.
And then I got me PJ pants.
And somebody got PJ pants.
I needed more.
Walk through, we got all these toys, and she wanted PJ pants.
I need some.
I'll take those wins anywhere I can get it. It's absolutely effing gorgeous. That green metallic.
Chicken.
He's got, we both heard the crap about, oh, you don't want a green car, it's bad luck. You know what do we say to that? Green car. What do we say to that?
Green car.
There you go. Ain't nothing wrong with green. That's what we're all chasing anyway. Gotta get that money. Damn, this thing looks good.
Gold.
Good on you, Jesse. Good shit. If you think I'm just horsing around and I'm just, oh, he's kidding. He's not really gonna make a spoiler out of lumber. You don't know me too well. Oh, what's that? Uh-oh. What's that, the template? Getting traced out on lumber? Oh no, what could that be? Whatever could that be? Oh no, oh goodness. Okay, so Dr. Thunder has been on Marketplace for like 3 weeks. It was on there for like a week and change. before I got the title because I just wanted to see if I could get something going. And then as soon as the title came in, we'd get this thing going, get it out of here and on to the next family. But like everybody else on Marketplace, you get the whole, oh yeah, man, I'll take it. By the way, that bench seat, the scumbag who, oh yeah, man, I'll be there at this. You just tell me the second the title shows up. I want the bench seat though, because you know, I'm a fat
Potato!
I want the bench seat because buckets don't work for me. Cool, I got you. Sorry, man, I just ran out of money because I'm a big dumb. Well, part of it. Everybody else is it's either take something infinitely low, which would I make $1 or $2 on it? Maybe. I'm maybe like literally $50, but because nobody wants this thing, and I literally had it on there for $1,500. I'm going to keep it, and it's probably going to die with me. So we're going to do whatever the fuck I want to do with it.
Yes. Watch your profanity.
And what I want to do with it, it might piss a Dodge person or two off. If you like it, good for you. If you don't, cry about it. I'm going to kill this truck. What do you think? Oh, that's too funny. The lumber chicken, the dirty bird. I don't know what we're gonna call it. Oh, that's fucking funny. Update time. Went ahead and gave her a little smoothing on the back. Yes, sir. A little smoothing on the front. Looking good. Big spoiler, and the bumper is gone. Gives it more of a sleek look on the back instead of having like a little hemorrhoid poking his butt out right there. Yes, sir. This thing's freaking preposterous. I love it. Let's take it out for its first spin and see how it works. Oh, it's so effing preposterous. I love it. That's freaking great. Oh, that's delicious. I effing love that thing. Well, let's take it for a spin and see what happens. I know what you're thinking. That big spoiler over there, it's gonna make it look awful goofy if we don't have some kind of ground effects going on. I'm working on that. In the meantime, they don't really make anything for first generation Dakotas. So since we can't buy a spoiler and we can't buy some ground effects, not unless you want to spend a whole fuckload of money and spend actually more than I paid for the truck up to today. So let's see what we got. Oh, what's that? What's that? A little little valance? What's that? You got silk tappers and zip ties? Yeah, I think we're onto something with that. Granted, that looks the way it looks. Nothing a little can of spray paint can't fix with that. We're moving along. And I was tinkering with this earlier. The tie rod on this side, I don't know if it was meant to be that way, but I took the tie rod out because I was going to replace it. It's hollow. It's weird. I should have filmed that, but I didn't. I unscrewed it from the actual rack, and there was a cavity inside there. I think it's supposed to have threads coming through it, but it doesn't. So I just packed it full of grease, and no more dunk. Little wins everywhere, baby. We take those. But I got a little work to do on the spoiler back there. It's sitting on the back of the car over here. We're coming along pretty nicely. So we're probably halfway or so through the video. What do you think of the car? Huh? Not bad, right? Not too bad. You know, if you don't take swings and stuff, you never know if you can do it or not. At this point in time, I have no idea what the car, what Dr. Thunder's gonna look like. It's still got a lumber wing, and yard sign front valance, but hey, give me a little bit, huh? Let me see if I can't doll that up and make it a little bit more livable. But somebody should have bought it. That's all I'm gonna say. Guys, I've never seen one of these in real life, but I'm about to show you something. That big ass spoiler, but check it. It's right-hand drive. Damn. Hell yeah. You never know what you're going to see at the Wally World parking lot. That's pretty freaking sick, man. It ain't got near the size of the spoiler I got. Wussy. First spoiler, bud. Freaking idiots, man. Don't they realize what they have? Absolute freaking apple head, forehead, stupid idiots. Any day of the week, you spend $100 on some the exact same stuff to put in your grills and put on any openings to kind of give it some street scene look. Don't you remember that stuff back in the day? It's like $100 for that stuff, and it was like you got like one sheet of it, and you had to mold it and all that stuff. $20, got 3 pieces. Aces. That's how the rich stay rich, baby. Save a buck. And just like that, nice little round bomb job. We're coming along. Don't mind those. Those are custom runs. Yeah, it looks legit as it gets. Yeah, I'd take it straight off my Superbird. It looks better on here anyway. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's one of my like 7 Superbirds. They're just all they're junk. Looks better on the Dakota. 100%. Way better. And just like that. Magic. Looking good. Yes, sir. Here's our good Dodge Dakota grill. And I'm going to do something to it. You tell me if you can notice a difference in 3, 2, 1. Boom. I did have plans to use that screen. I didn't like the way it looks, so we just hauled this guy out. I like the way it looks. It's clean, simple. Perfect. If you think for a second we forgot the headlight bezels, think again. There's something going on there. You'll see when it dries. I don't mean to pat myself on the back, but I think I overdid myself on these headlight bezels. Gave the headlights a little bit of a polish. Got the grill cut out. All blacked out up in here. Looking good. Dig it. Real quick, if you don't know about the Dirt Drag Rally that I am hosting on March 14th, please go check that out on Facebook. You can look it up on Dirt Plus the Show on the Facebook page, or just type in Dirt Drag Rally. It should take you to something that looks like this. Take a peek at it, check it out. Also, this was done during Christmas time, so we're not humongous spenders on a lot of stuff, but what we do like is quality of life. And our daughter's room was pretty bad. She had drawn on it, and she's very artsy, so we decided to give her a clean slate with all her favorite action figures and characters and all that stuff. Check it out. This is her reaction.
No, you're joking.
Do you see the cloud
Yeah?
every time you talk?
It's got different settings on it.
No way. Wait a minute.
Here, let me turn on the flashlight so you can see. No, I can't. There we go.
Oh!
It's split in the middle, honey.
Oh.
Hang on.
Bean bag! Oh, my Goku poster.
And if you want to read, there's a light right here.
Oh. Turn the light off. I got one more thing for you.
One more thing.
What do you think?
I love it. No need for a nightlight anymore.
So that will conclude this week's video. I'm sitting here with my dog doing some editing. What do you think about the truck so far? Be harsh. Be critical. Go ahead. Because as it sits right now, there's quite a bit more done. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm just happy to be able to do stuff for my kid and have a little bit of fun with cars. And pet my big fat dog. What do you think, Theo? He don't think a lot. He just wants to growl and eat. But that's all we got for this week, guys. We'll catch you next time. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bye.
Is that a homeless guy?
No, Marek.
Hey, get a friggin' job.